Cutting tool manufacturing is a competitive industry where efficiency and productivity are key. AIMS Connect is Anchor's production control and job management software that improves these factors by optimising production processes. AIMS Connect shows job orders and active pallets directly from a connected ERP system. Simple transfer from a job order and assignment to an active pallet for tracking in the factory. AIMS Connect saves operators time and reduces human error by pushing clear work instructions to a mobile device. AIMS Connect validates the job order and machine and transfers the data for execution in the background. Tool measurement and compensation is also tracked, and all necessary information is provided. AIMS Connect makes sure every step is executed in the right sequence and at the right time. Necessary compensations are performed automatically by AutoComp. Access from almost any authorised end device with a browser, thanks to the web-based implementation. Processing multiple jobs simultaneously on one machine has never been easier. Suitable for small regrinding companies up to enterprise tool manufacturers. Thanks to a scalable system model, AIMS Connect adapts to your production.